Good morning, student. This is Shailesh Kumar. I am a math teacher, and now we are on a channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. So, in this video, our chapter of concern is fraction, and our topic is going on relation between improper fraction and mixed fraction. So, student, we will study this relation, that how an improper fraction can be converted to mixed fraction and a mixed fraction can be converted to the improper fraction. What is the meaning of improper fraction and what is the meaning of mixed fraction? In some books, mixed fraction is called mixed number also. But here we going to understand all the concept regarding these both terms. What are the improper and the mixed fraction? So student, get ready to learn on the all concept clarity with Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke on the topic improper, relation between improper and mixed fraction. So student, let us start the video. Dear student, this is Shailesh Kumar and now we are on channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. Now in this video we will have to write improper fraction as mixed fraction. So this is a very simple question. So firstly we will see that all the questions here 29 by 4, 63 by 10 and so many other. In each part, the numerator is greater than its denominator. So all the fractions are improper fraction. And we have to convert this improper fraction to the mixed fraction. So how I will let you know. The first question is 29 by 4. Now only we have to divide. Now 7 4s are 28 and the remainder is 1. Okay student, now what you have to write, listen, what was the denominator, you will not change the place of denominator, you will write 4 in the place of denominator. Now what is the remainder, you will write on the place of numerator, and this complete number, that is a quotient, you will write in the middle. So in this way you can convert an improper fraction to mixed fractions. Okay student? Firstly you will divide 29 by 4, then you get this answer. Now what is the remainder, that you will write on the in place of numerator, and in the place of denominator you will write the earlier denominator, and what you get in the place of quotient you will have to write in the place of complete number. Because you know what is a mixed fraction? The mixed fraction is the combination of a number plus improper fraction. Here this is 7 and this is improper fraction. 7 is a complete number and 1 by 4 is the improper fraction. So student, let us write this answer on the first part. 29 over 4. Now 4. So I will write 4 and 1 and 7. So this is the answer student. Now in the same way 63 over 10. Now here you can see this is 10 and 3 will be written on the top and there is 6. Now in this way you can write the answer. Here 12 and 2 109. 209 will be divided by 12. Now 12 ones are 12, 8 and 9. Now 12 sevens are 84 and the remainder is 5. Now what will be your answer? Now your answer will be 12 and 5 will be there and 17 will be in the place of complete number. So this is the required mixed fraction for the given expression of improper fraction. Now 101 divided by 9. 101 9. 2. Okay, so you will write 2. No, so you will write 9 and write 2 on the top and 11 here. So this is the mixed fraction. Now 104 divided by 9. 9 and 5 will be written here and 11 on the side. Okay, so this is the mixed fraction. Now nine, 7 to the 14, that is 5. Now how will you write this? You will write 7 and here 5 and you will write 12 here. Now in this way you have learned how to convert an improper fraction to the mixed fraction. So student, if you like this video and understand all the question, then don't forget to subscribe our channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. And also press the bell button to get the notification of the new uploaded videos. Now in this part we are going to write each mixed number or the fraction into an improper fraction. Now here you will see that the mixed fraction is 7 and 3 by 4. Okay, 7 and 3 by 4, so it can be written as 7 plus 3 by 4. As we know, the mixed fraction is the combination or the sum of a complete number and an improper fraction. Okay student, so what I have to do, listen, 4 multiply 7, 4 multiply 7 plus 3 over 4. This is the trick answer. Okay, so 7 multiply 4, that is 28, 28 plus 3 over 4. So this is 31 over 4. Now you can write this mixed fraction to the improper fraction. Okay student, this was the mixed fraction and this is improper fraction. Now we are on the second part. 15 2 by 3. It can be written as 15 plus 2 over 3. Now what we shall do? 3 multiply 15 plus 2 over 3. Now 3 multiply 15, that is 45 plus 2 over 3. Now this is 47 over 3. So 15 and 2 by 3 can be written as 47 over 3. This is the mixed fraction and this is improper. Okay student, now in the same way we will solve both two questions. Now 6 and 4 by 9. It can be written as 6 plus 4 by 9. So that 9 multiply 6 plus 4. 54 plus 4 by 9. That is 58 by 9. Okay, this is the answer student. Now 11 and 11 by 13. It can be written as 11 plus 11 by 13. Now the answer is 13 multiply 11 plus 11. Now 13 multiply 11, that is 3, 4, 1 plus 11, that is 13. Now 4, 5, 1 by 13. So this is the answer. This is the improper form of a fraction. So student, in this video we have learned how to convert the improper fraction to mixed fraction and mixed fraction to improper fraction. So if you satisfied with this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel Think Math Think Different Zara Hatke. You can see these are the questions where we have converted the improper fraction to mixed fraction, and in the next here you are seeing that where we have converted the mixed fraction to improper fraction, students. So press the bell icon to get notified with the upcoming latest videos of the mathematics.